my battery's not dead. There we go. A lot of times it's just the safety aspect. Women are not sometimes comfortable being out in the outdoors, being on their own, not knowing the equipment, not knowing just how to do it. So it's just introducing them and getting them comfortable and confident in the outdoors.
That's Laura McLeod, a sergeant with the St. Louis County Park Rangers. Tonight, she's helping to teach a course for women in the wild.
Women in the Wild is a program we started 3 years ago. It's our third year, and it is just a program that we wanted to bring about with the park system to help women have more access to being out in nature.
This session is called Campfire Basics and Cooking. The women met at James McDonald County Park in St. Anne, Missouri.
Tonight we're going to start out with some basic campfire building. A lot of people can do it with charcoal and lighter fluid and a match, but we're going to go into a little bit more depth with that. What we want to do is at an angle. You get that good spark going. And then we're also going to go into some campfire cooking. So we've got another fella here, Scott Douglas. He's a great campfire cooking aficionado. He's going to show us how to make some fun calzones, an interesting orange marmalade dessert. It's going to be some delicious stuff.
One participant, Danielle, says she came to the course to be more prepared on camping trips.
And I have a friend who has even less camping experience than me, so I was like, oh, I'm going to need to cook for us. So I was hoping that this would give me a little bit more confidence and some recipes for whenever we go camping later.
And this is just one of many sessions, which range from camping to kayaking to geocaching.
This year, I think we're up to about 9 courses, and each of them run about 2 hours or so. We do have, obviously, the overnight camping is going to take a little bit longer, and we also have a Merrimack River float that we're doing. That's going to be an all-day float.
McLeod says a diverse group of women with a wide range of skill sets attend the sessions.
Some people have never done anything in the outdoors, and this is brand new. Some people have been doing this for a little while, and they're just advancing their skills. And we have had people who actually are quite advanced in their skills, but they're just coming to learn more and meet more people.
And the sessions have been very popular.
Unfortunately, this year we are sold out, but we do this every year. So we'll be looking to set up some new courses again in the January of next year, so keep your eyes out. The waiting list is actually quite long for this, so when we try and contact people ahead of time saying, hey, if plans have changed, if something has come up, let us know so we can get these people on the wait list in, because people are loving it. And when I send out something from the wait list, man, people are jumping on it.
And Danielle says she's coming away from the session with some useful skills.
It made it very accessible, and it made it very broken down. Somebody was walking us through it, having different methods, so both over the fire camping, and then the person who was teaching us also brought in other cooking methods, so the stoves for car camping or backpacking. So it was very broad, and there are different methods that he gave us to cook with.
The classes also lead to connection.
People love it. They're having a lot of fun with this. They're going away with those new skills, and in some cases, a lot of new friends.
And the sessions give women the opportunity to explore parks in our region.
I think it's important just to let people get more in the outdoors, more comfortable in our park system, getting to just see different parks in our system. A lot of people don't know some of our parks. They pick that one park, that's the park they go and hike to, but we've got 70 parks in the county park system. So besides introducing them to outdoor skills, we introduce them to different county parks that they might want to visit in the future.
For Living St. Louis, I'm Veronica Mohesky.